This is our line breaker for Ura and for dryer outlet material. So today we're doing a test run. So introducing the features of it. The bearing housings is SKF. The bearing and the bearing housings are from SKF. And then on the shaft we have a speed sensor that tested the speed of the low speed testing. This is a inspection door, and this is a base frame, and under each base frame there will be a vibrating support device. And then inside you will see the cutter. The cutter is made of CR, chromium, and magnesium, and so you can see the two are the impellers with the things in the middle, and also on the side we have the liners, the hardened steel plate HV400, and this is also removable. You can see this assembly on it with the screw, so it can be removed and replaced. And then in the bottom we also have a grizzly. The grizzly, the function is to to prevent the material going out to the conveyor. This is installed on the outlet of the dryer.